Want to transfer TikTok account to another phone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to launch open the TikTok account on your first phone. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now select settings and privacy. From here, tap on account, then select account information. Now you want to check your email address and phone number from here. Remember that. Now you want to open the TikTok app on your another phone, then tap on the profile icon. Here tap on the login option. You can use any of these options to log into your account. You can use the email or phone number option. If you want to enter your mobile number, enter it here. Otherwise, select email and username option. Now here, you want to enter the same email address that you just checked on your first phone. Then tap on the continue option. Now a verification email will be sent. Go ahead and check your email. Go ahead and enter the code over here. Next thing you want to do is enter your password. Once you have entered the password, you will be successfully logged into your new account as well. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.